Hello, and welcome to Morpholio Trace 6.0. In this video, we'll learn about all of the amazing new features, new brushes, faster speeds, and so much more that are all within Trace 6.0. Let's get started. One of the most exciting features in Morpholio Trace 6.0 is the new brushes. As you can see, we've completely redesigned the brush panels to allow for all of the names of the brushes as well as previews of what the strokes are like. All of the pens have gotten amazing updates, including more dynamic tilt, pressure, line variation, and much more. Check out how beautiful the pencil looks now, and you can create amazing drawings with this new pencil. The next pen that got an enhancement is the ultra fine marker. The fine marker is really beautiful as well. Check out the lines that you can create with this new and improved pen. Just gorgeous. Now for a brand new brush. Meet the watercolor brush. This brush is perfect for creating beautiful undertones, gorgeous washes, incredible gradients, and so much more. Check out how smooth and beautiful the edges are, and when it builds up, you get this gorgeous wash tone. Another area that got a brand new update in Trace 6.0 is the project page. We now have a new sidebar that can open and close. We have a new way of adding projects through this plus button to get to all of your favorite types of projects. You can also now sort projects by name, by type, by date created and modified, as well as custom to move the projects around the way that you would like, just like the old version of Trace. You can also use the search bar to locate projects based on keywords. Another amazing feature about the new project page is that you can long press any project to pop up a quick action menu. This allows you to quickly move a project back, share it, rename it, duplicate it, or delete it. If you love these new features in Morpholio Trace 6.0, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest tutorials and videos that we drop. Another great feature about the new project page is that if you ever delete a project that you didn't mean to, you can simply go over to the recently deleted tab, long press the project, tap recover, and now your project has been restored. For anyone that has an iPad Pro from 2022 or newer, you can use Apple Pencil Hover to preview your stroke, giving you even more precise drawing and sketching. This one is really cool. In Morpholio Trace 6.0, you can go to Photos, copy any photo, open Trace, and now you can long press anywhere in the drawing space to get a paste button to then paste that image directly into your project. How cool is that? Another incredible feature in Trace 6.0 is the advanced smoothness control. If you tap the 3-dot button, you'll see this new panel that allows you to adjust the smoothness to reduce jitter and give you hyper control over your lines. With the new smoothness control, you can create the perfect curves, and combined with the hyper real pens, you can create stunning design drawings like this. We've made a ton of innovations in the 3D model viewer as well. If you tap your settings, you now have amazing solar control to set precise, accurate shadows to sketch on top of. In addition, you can lock your view to 2-point perspective to draw on top of perfect 2-point and 1-point perspective views. We're always bringing you new ways to sketch to scale. You can now tap your wrench, tap scale, and now you can set your grid to any precise dimension. Simply tap the dimension input to set your grid size. You can also tap the angle input to set a specific angle for your grid. Then tap the green check to confirm your grid. And just like that, you have a perfect and precise grid to sketch on top of. The last amazing feature in Morpholio Trace 6.0 is the ability to import super high resolution PDF underlays. Now, when you zoom in, you can get as close as you want to the drawing to see the writing, the details, and you will always get the highest resolution for your underlay. If you enjoyed this video and loved learning about Trace 6.0, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest tutorials as we drop them. For a chance to be featured, share your work on Instagram and tag Morpholio Trace. We cannot wait to see what you make in Trace 6.0.